Hi, Bob. Hindi pa rin may makapaniwala na kung saan tayo dinala ng tadhana. Tadhanang matagal na nating inantay at pinangarap na makasamang isa't isa. I would like to use my favorite Bible passage, Isaiah 60:22. When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. And today has come, and I know that God has truly blessed me with your presence.
Hi Bob, sa bawat oras na hindi tayo magkasama palagi, mong tatandaan na sa bawat segundo ng araw ko, ikaw ay naalala ko. I love you. Can't wait to see you. Wow, thank you, Cha.
Just a simple gift to my wife. I love you. Palagi ako gamit eh. Thank you, Bob. Can't wait to see you. I love you. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for your love and support. I love you po.
From Ma'am Cha, Babs, Charis De Leon, at ngayon, officially, magiging Mrs. Chohong ko. Ang daan patungo sa iyo ay hindi naging madali. Ilang beses ako naligaw, naflatan, nasiraan, kamuntikan na mabangga. Sa huli, ipinagpasa Diyos ko na ang lahat, binigay ko na sa Kanya ang manibela, siya na ang naging ways ko patungo sa iyo.
From your head to your toes, from your heart to your soul, there's not one part that I would change. There's not one part that I would change.
From the way that you love.
Sa tagal ng panahon, pinagdasal ko talaga matagpuan ang forever ko. Yung babaeng mamahalin ko ng habang buhay at makakasama sa pagtanda. Yung taong makakasama ko sa bawat biyahe ng kasiyahan at kalungkutan ng buhay ko. Lahat yon hiniling ko sa Kanya. At ngayon, andito ka na sa harapan ko.
I don't want to make promises that I can't keep. I only pray that God will continue to bless, guide, protect, and strengthen our relationship as we face every challenges and obstacles that may come our way. As long as you are by my side, I know that we can make it through.
There's not one part that I would change. There's not one part that I would change.
The Word made flesh, a promise delivered. Wala na akong hihilingin pa. Ikaw yung gasolina sa aking tangke, ang headlight ko sa dilim, ang wiper ko pag malabo na ang lahat. Hindi man perpekto, salamat sa pagtanggap, Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin at sa aking mga anak.
Looking forward, spending a lifetime of happiness, joy, and many more road trips and adventures with you. I love you, Bob.